Hey, these are always popular here at Unique, especially in classics. Check this one out, 1991 Cadillac Brougham d'Elegance. Original Arkansas car, and guess what? Just a little over 17,000 miles on this one is all. 5-liter V8 underneath the hood. This paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC has been converted to 134A, and it is blowing cold. As we take a look at this front grille, chrome bright work. That Cadillac hood ornament still intact. Paint color on this, number 74, flame red, which of course is going to be different than you think of Corvette reds. This is an absolutely gorgeous color on this car, very rich looking. Take your time looking through the still pictures, be able to see it from every angle. Top to bottom, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website where you check out the pics. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Correct Cadillac wheel covers. Brand new. Less than 100 miles on those tires. So new radials on it. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Real quick, I'll hit a few of the other things that are new on this. It does have newer exhaust as far as mufflers and back. And also a new pinion seal. I believe it was cap, rotors, wires, plugs, also recently replaced. As we take a look up and down this passenger side, as you can see, the paint shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Is there a spot where there's a touch-up here or there? Absolutely. It's a 1991 model. But as far as major dings, dents, scratches, you can see nice shape. Panels are nice and straight. Matching interior, dark maple. Of course, leather. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer, take a look at the condition of the vinyl roof. I've not noticed any major rips, tears, holes, anything like that as far as in the vinyl roof. Luggage rack for styling on the deck lid. Filler panels on the rear here. As you can see, this is kind of common once they age and get brittle, and those will bust out. Looking good on this one. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. So take a look at the chrome in the rear. Driver's side filler panels. Also intact. Looking good. Remember, still pictures. Take your time looking through them. UniqueClassicCars.com if you like these full-sized Cadillac from the 90s. Maybe you like the 1950s Cadillacs, late 50s with the big wings. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Maybe you like muscle cars, late model, high horsepower cars, little bit of everything. So we take a look down this driver's side, and again, you can see the paint shows well. Here's a spot I kind of want to show you, like little touch up there, if you can even see it. A couple other little small ones on the hood. Again, being pretty fussy, but just want to let you know, paint shows very well, has a nice shine to it. But there's a few spots where it's been touched up. But again, take a look down this driver's side compared to the passenger side. Nice and straight, not full of any major dings, dents, scratches, anything like that. Again, new radial tires, all four corners. Of course, an Arlington-built Texas Cadillac. All right, let's take a little look at the rear door panels. Seating surfaces, of course, with the d'Elegance, you're going to have the more cushy seating surfaces with that kind of pillow top cushion, if you will. Of course, power seats both sides, power windows, power locks, your modern amenities that you're going to have on a loaded up Cadillac. And you can see the leather seating surfaces also in good shape. Tilt and telescopic column and wheel on this car. See, it does have cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire it up. There's an aftermarket CB setup in here too, which we're going to leave it up to the next owner. If they'd like to have it removed, they can. If they want to leave it in, that is going to be up to the next owner. Quick look at the top of the dash. Nice shape, not cracked, not discolored, really aged at all. There's the miles. Look at that, 17,436. AM, FM, cassette player, heat and AC both work, electronic climate control. That's what you'd expect on the interior. No warning indicators, anything like that in this area. How about the headliner? Headliner looking good. Slip around to the back so you can hear it run. Guess what you'd expect with a V8 underneath the hood. And again, that is paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car for a drive. You'll be able to see how it goes down the road, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. But first, let's take a quick peek at this engine bay. Underside of the hood. And here's the engine bay. Look at how nice and clean and tidy this is. You don't see a bunch of corrosion. What you'd expect with that kind of miles on it. You can see the AC has been converted by the fitting. Look at that right there. So 134A. And if you're familiar with these cars, you know how well they go down the road. They definitely do not make them like this anymore. 1991 Cadillac Brougham de Elegance, low mile car. Beautiful color. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1991 Cadillac Brougham, and this car is a nice smooth running Cadillac. We got digital gauges, automatic on the column, that luxurious ride that Cadillac provides. Good power when you put your foot down. There's a couple little drops falling from the sky today. We just can't seem to get away from it, but that's enough for me to show you that the wipers are working on this car. Cruise control also functions. We have a factory radio in the dash. And that's working well too. Digital fuel gauge is showing a half of a tank. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. Under the dash, mounted on the floor, there is a CB radio. Brakes are working very well. And this Cadillac corners the way it should. Excellent power steering, luxurious ride. Interior looks pretty nice. The headliner is nice. We got leather pillow top seating. Very comfortable. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Cadillac at uniqueclassiccars.com.